and cast.
There was no word for heaven or for earth or
Hey,
sea
cigarette.
or sky. All the
I need your
You're
XP.
awakened out of Lady Cassandra's clutches.
Then the voice of
And
the
here I
maker
paid that
rang
little
out.
knife ear to inform me the moment you were free.
Word became all
Segret,
that
honored
might
to meet
be.
you.
Apart from the basil brush.
Done.
Mikey, yeah. Bless the J. I don't know. I don't know.
What do you think I'll be doing exactly?
Word's already spreading.
Oh, he doesn't like
Something in the sky.
Mikey.
It's you. Anything you need is yours.
Excuse me.
Reasonable
Thank you.
price, of course. Supplies are a little tight, given the circumstances.
Wow. You couldn't go with J King Sneezes. You had to go with J Sneezes Place.
What kind of person stays to run a shop at a time like this?
The kind with nowhere else to go. Those blasted demons destroyed most of my goods. If I stay here, work some contacts, I can start rebuilding. Maybe, just maybe,
Okay.
help you folks out in the process.
How is the mood here?
You must speak with most everyone here. How are people doing?
Hope and fear.
I need to blow my nose.
No one really knows what it means when an Inquisition is called. Yet. And everyone's sort of digesting the idea of it
The one's true. Which shape was
being sent by Andraste himself. It's, not really what anyone was expecting. Yourself included, I wager.
Until later.
Stay safe.
Okay. About to sneeze again. Never mind, sneezed anyways. Some siege equipment. I sneeze sometimes a lot in the mornings.